Oh guys, nasa tila na discover nga project guys. Pwede ni mahimong parol. Simbolo guys. Kapilaan guys, kani guys, pwede na ito ni himong lampshade. Na iba nga guys, for wiring guys. Sorry guys, so na iba nga guys, for the bulb guys. Here guys, bulb. There's a hole there guys. May bago na mga symbol guys. Ano guys, patulong guys, arian uri guys. Subuhan tamo guys. Hindi na ka makasol guys. So birilig o ni guys. Sige mo pa na ilabay guys. Bounce na guys. Okay? Bounce guys. Guys guys, hanging lampshade guys, hanging lampshade, 5 bulb. Guys, pwede lampshade, pwede sa parol guys. Okay guys, thank you.